Today, we're going to answer a question from one of our friends. The question is from Jane Harrison L3X, who says, "Sorry, I couldn't comment on your outro video, so I'm asking here instead. How do you add clickable videos in the two boxes? On the right of the outro? I made this quick video to show you exactly how I added that clickable video at the end of mine, step by step, and to explain how it works. Hope it helps you all." And to Jane Harrison L3X, shout out to you, my friend. Thanks for reaching out to my channel. This video is the answer to your question. Now, let's get started. I've opened my video editing software, Filmora 9, and in this video, I'll show you how I add that YouTube outro to my videos. You can also use any video editing software you have on your computer. Next, I imported my sample videos. These are compilations of my previous projects. Then, I dragged all of them onto my timeline. I also imported my outro and placed it at the very end of the video on the timeline. As you can see, my outro has a blank rectangular area on the right. This is where the clickable video boxes will appear on YouTube later. Even the logo you see here is clickable. It links to my main channel. That area is usually left blank, but I decided to add my logo in the video and later placed my YouTube channel logo over it in YouTube to make it clickable. Next, export your video with the outro included, then upload it to YouTube. In YouTube Studio, upload your video, then add a title, description, and thumbnail. In the audience section, select No, it's not made for kids. After that, click Next. In the video elements section, you'll see an option to add an end screen. Click Add. You'll see several sample end screen layouts. Feel free to choose any pattern that fits your style. If you want to create your own custom outro, I recommend using Canva. It offers a variety of end screen templates that are already sized correctly for YouTube and have been tested to work well. While the ad card here is a YouTube cards are interactive elements you can add to your videos. They appear as small pop-ups, usually in the top right corner, and can link to other videos, playlists, or channels. They're a great way to keep viewers engaged and guide them to more of your content. Now let's go back to the video details section. For example, if your video is made for kids and you select Yes, it's made for kids, the end screen elements and cards will not appear. YouTube restricts these features on kids' content. YouTube restricts features like end screens and cards on videos marked Made for Kids to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, COPPA, and other child safety regulations. Cards and end screens often rely on user behavior and tracking data, which YouTube is not allowed to collect from children under 13. These features can link to other content or websites, which might not be age-appropriate or safe for children. By disabling these features, YouTube aims to create a safer environment for young viewers and avoid legal risks. Don't worry if your channel is made for kids, you can still earn income from it. Yes, YouTube channels marked as made for kids can still generate revenue, but their monetization options are more limited compared to general content. This limitation stems from YouTube's compliance with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, COPPA, which restricts data collection and personalized advertising for children's content. Now, let's upload this video to YouTube and see how the end screen looks. Let's take a look at the outro section. As you can see, these videos are clickable and the logo is also clickable. It links directly to my YouTube channel. Now, if your channel is marked as Made for Kids, you can still include this type of outro at the end of your video. These are animated outros where characters promote the channel. Even though clickable videos aren't allowed, it's still a fun and effective way to say goodbye to your viewers and encourage them to come back for more.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.
That's all for now. Thanks, Scouts. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.